Understanding the target audience and their needs is crucial for creating content that resonates with them. By researching their demographics, preferences, and behaviors, content creators can tailor their message to address the specific pain points and desires of their audience. Creating compelling and valuable digital products requires deep market research to understand the needs and pain points of the target audience. It involves leveraging innovative technologies to deliver a seamless user experience and addressing unmet needs in the market. When designing an effective marketing strategy for digital products, it's essential to understand the target audience, utilize data-driven insights, leverage social media platforms, and prioritize user engagement. Social media and online platforms offer a powerful channel for promotion, allowing businesses to reach a global audience and engage with potential customers in real time. By creating targeted content and leveraging analytics, companies can optimize their promotional efforts and enhance brand visibility. Implementing SEO and content marketing techniques is essential for improving a website's visibility and attracting organic traffic. This involves optimizing website content, using relevant keywords, creating high-quality and engaging content, building backlinks, and utilizing social media channels for promotion. Email marketing is a powerful tool for promoting digital products as it allows direct communication with potential customers, creating personalized and targeted messages to drive sales. By leveraging influencer marketing, businesses can tap into the established fan base of popular social media personalities to reach a wider audience and boost brand visibility. Measuring and analyzing the effectiveness of marketing efforts is crucial for ensuring a positive return on investment and refining future strategies.